Hi.
What's that?
You're eating
Ice cream.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh. Yum, 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 yum.
I have a big stomach hurt.
You do? Have you been eating a lot of ice cream?
It's very good.
Is it?
It's very tasty.
Oh.
You taste it?
No, thank you.
Okay, taste.
No, go ahead.
Mmm.
Is it delicious?
Oh, my tummy.
Oh.
Blubby in my tummy.
Is it so yummy in your tummy?
Oh, where's Daddy go?
Daddy went into the shower.
I want to go shower.
Not right now. We gotta go to Nona's.
No.
Yeah.
I don't want to know that.
We have to. We're gonna go have gnocchi
No.
with Vanessa and Samantha.
I'll stay.
No. It's yummy.
No.
Who else is at Nona's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you?
Yeah.
And Carter?
Really?
Yeah.
Carter's there?
No way, Jose.
Why would Carter be there? Would Jace be there?
No.
Oh.
Jacob.
Jacob would be there?
Yeah.
Why would Jacob be there? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Why would Jacob be there? I don't think so.
Jacob plays toys at Jacob's house.
Oh. I see. Did we play farm today? Was that fun?
Yeah. Downstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the back. I like in the back.
I like your McFlurry. Oh, cool. Did we find some horses today?
I broke that.
And a mountain goat?
Yeah.
So cool.
And the one that's drinking the water.
Yeah, the horse in the stream.
Drinking down the mountain.
Yeah, how many pigs?
4.
Oh.
Oops. I dropped him.
Hmm.
I dropped something. It goes,
Should we get going?
Mud pie. Mud pie.
Mud pie.
Mud pie.
Mud pie.
Mud pie. You're mud pie?
I'm not a mud pie.
That's mud pie?
Maybe.
Sylvia's mud pie?
Maybe. Do you make them?
No. No, no. The old method. Yes. No, no. No, no. And bumpers. And Olivia's. Whoa, that's a big ladder. I tried to make bunny up.
Oh.
It should loud like that.
Whoa.
Let's go do 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 do. A big do 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 do.
That's very nice.
I love that. I love that.
The video camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. You are very chatty today.
I like that.
Yeah?
I'll see.
Okay, we gotta get going, okay?
Okay.
Say see you later. You wave it to the camera, goodbye. Bye.